Hello Math 1160 students! Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and use the free app CamScanner to scan in and submit your written work for this class. These instructions are for an iPhone, but I believe the steps are relatively similar if you are on an Android or some other device. So first go to your App Store and search for CamScanner. And then go and find CamScanner, and you should be able to download CamScanner by pressing the little cloud icon you see here. Alright, once it's finished downloading, you can either press open or you can go back to your home screen and find it and then open it. Once you open CamScanner, just scroll through the first couple of screens here, or take a minute to read them if you want to. And we don't want to purchase whatever this is, so you can just X out of it by pressing the X in the top left of your screen. And you don't need to use Sharp, so you can just select the Use Now button on the bottom right of your screen. Now you're on the home screen that you usually come to when you open the app. So select the camera at the bottom of the screen. Say OK when it's asked if it's OK to use the camera. Now you should be on the camera. The app might default to single pictures, but for this class you'll always want to use the batch, which allows you to take many pictures to send all at once. So scroll over to move to the batch setting. Then you can take your pictures. So try to get some decent lighting and make sure the camera is focused before you take the pictures. So this is just some random linear algebra notes. So once you've taken the picture, you can crop it if you want to by moving these outside edges. CamScanner auto crops by default, but you can turn that off if you want to at the bottom left of your screen. Press continue, and then you can take your next picture. And then we can continue again. And maybe I'll take one more picture here. So I think I'm going to crop this one a little bit because it was only half a page. So once you're done, you can click on the bottom right here to get to all of the pictures. And then you can look at them one by one, and you can press the little X at the top left if you want to delete any of them. So when you have all of your pictures, you can press the check mark at the bottom right of your screen, and then it will kind of generate them. And next, I found that the easiest way to share your pictures once you've taken them is just to press the email button at the bottom of your screen. Next, select Share PDF, since the assignment should be turned in PDF form. Press Send, and then type in your own email address. Just easiest to just email it to yourself. And then if you want to, you can retitle the document that you're sending. Or not the document, just the subject line. So I'm going to title this Written Assignment 1. And once you've done that, you can hit send. Once you get the document on your email, make sure you open it first and see that it looks alright. So I'm looking in here and it looks like it's relatively legible. My writing is probably not as neat as yours should be, but these were just personal notes. So this is looking mostly okay for me, maybe a little bit blurry here. But doesn't matter so much for this example. So what you can do is you can download that, and I get it here on the bottom left of my screen since I'm in Windows 10 here. And you can see it a little bit nicer here. And then you can save it. I usually just do Control S to save. So if I hold down Control S, I can tell it where I want to save it. So I have a folder for Spring 2021, Math 1160. And then I can save it in there as whatever title I want. So Written Assignment 1, if that's what this document was. And then once I've saved it somewhere on my computer, I can go to the Math 1160 page. This is the page from last semester. You can go into Assessments, click on Dropbox. And this is about as far as I can go for you since I can't quite access this as a student to submit a file. But what you would do is you would click on whichever assignment it was, so Written Assignment 1, and then you would upload a file, and then it would ask you where that file is, and then you'd have to open the your folder, and then you would have to find that assignment and then double click on it and then hit submit. Alright, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or if you're not using an iPhone and things aren't looking the same and you need help, then please just email me and I will be more than happy to help you.